Khamoya Garden here from KhamoyaGarden.com, and I have a question for you guys. So, what is your major uphill battle for making money online? What's preventing you from making money online? Just a little backstory about me. I'm a Jamaican now living in the United States for the past 11 years. Initially when I came here, I had every intention to go to school, get a job, 9 to 5, and retire after 40 years in, or when I get to my retirement age. But I quickly realized that that's not the path for me. So I joined the military, and National Guard to be exact, and we still go on deployments and stuff, which can be very fun. And so I joined the military, and just in the military itself, I see a lot of people struggling to make ends meet. And I just always wanted to help whatever way I can. So when I started my online business, I called in my fellow brothers and sisters, because we travel so much, we travel a lot. So this is this is the easiest way to actually still make an income while you're like on deployment, because basically in online business, your money make money for you. So in my previous videos that I've had, I've discussed just the setting the foundation for this business, this online business, to be successful. So today I'm gonna discuss with you, or I would like you guys to tell me what is really holding you back from, one, going online to seek out how you could make passive income, and two, if you're already doing that, why is it not successful? So real quick, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. I drop a whole lot of golden nuggets in my videos, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell so that when I do put a video out, you're notified, so you're not missing anything. So let's get into the meat of the matter and drop some nuggets. It doesn't matter what type of business you have online, right? It doesn't matter. When your foundation that we've discussed in the previous videos, discipline, consistency, mental health, when all that is straight, on point, and it is sturdy, so your foundation is now sturdy in the ground, what's preventing you from making money online? Okay, sometimes our method that we choose to use could hinder us, right? A lot of times we use the method that we're using. We haven't done our necessary research as to how we go about using that method. Whatever method you're choosing to use, it doesn't matter. You have to do your research in depth to find out what strategy you're going to use for that method. You're following, right? If you're not, just drop a comment down below, just say you didn't understand, and I'll explain it all over again. But yeah, we gotta do our research on the method and strategies that we're using, and so on and so forth. Without that, our business will not strive. Guys, also, you have to remain positive. Whatever you're going through, It's not going to last. You have to keep on reminding yourself of that. You're going to have hiccups along the way, but do not give up. Do not give up. There is no winning in giving up. You have to go harder in the quote-unquote paint. You have to go harder in the paint, guys. If you need this success, you have to work for it. You got to put your blood, sweat, and tear in it. There's going to be days when you're like, I can't do this anymore. But you have to remind yourself why you're doing it. You have to do that. You have to keep on going. I don't care what's going on in your life. It doesn't matter what is going on in your life. You have to keep on going. I did not say not to take a break, but taking a break is not giving up. Taking a break is to, refresh yourself, get yourself back in that mental state, whatever it is. Guys, you have to keep on going. Whatever it is, just keep on going. So, with that being said, drop a comment down below and let me know if you're liking my videos. Let me know what you'd like me to discuss. You can reach me on Facebook also. If you don't wish to leave a comment down below, you can reach me on Facebook. You can send me a private message. I'm more than happy to answer any question that you have, any suggestion that you may have that you'd like for me to discuss. I am more than open. I check my messages daily. I try to answer them all. And remember to subscribe. Remember to hit the bell. You can send me a message. Please feel free to. Those links will be provided on top of this video or below it. Yeah, below this video somewhere it will be provided. Until next time, guys, keep going, keep the faith, keep your business running. Don't ever stop, so that your business or so that your money can make money for you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next video.